Hello guys, welcome to another video. If this is your first time here, you're welcome. My name is Ebu and today I'll show you how to make this delicious chicken stir fry that you can make in just 20 minutes. It is so quick and so easy to make. If you're interested, please keep watching, click the like button and please subscribe. So I'm going to be using this chicken which I got from the supermarket, and it already came pre-cut for stir fry and has been marinating for about 3 hours. Let me add that you can also use beef or even shrimp for this stir fry. It doesn't have to be chicken as well. You can never go wrong with using bell peppers, guys. It makes your food look so beautiful. So I'm going to be using bell peppers for this stir fry today. I'm also going to be using some onions, garlic, ginger. These are like standard things I use in cooking normally. And I'm also going to add some carrots. You can add spring onions if you want, or any other option. This is just stir fry. Just do it according to your own preference. I'm going to add salt, black pepper, chicken seasoning, thyme, and curry for the seasoning. And do not miss oyster sauce and soy sauce, guys. This will bring the food together. So right now what I'm doing, I'm just adding onions, garlic, ginger to the oil in the pot, and I'm just going to let that fry for like a minute. So the carrots are going in next after the onions, garlic, and ginger. I'm just going to let that stir in for about a minute because they're much harder than the bell peppers, so I decided to put them before the bell peppers. Now I'm adding the bell peppers now, but you have to be careful not to overcook them so they stay crunchy and really nice. Like I said earlier, this is a really quick meal, so you want to make sure you prep everything before you start. And actually prepping is where the real work is. So it's easier for you when you start to combine the ingredients. You don't have to wait to cut the green bell peppers or something like that. Now I'm adding the rest of the ingredients to this: the chicken seasoning, black pepper, curry, thyme, and some salt to this. And yes, I actually did fry my chicken for about 6 minutes, and after that I realized I wasn't recording, so I'm sorry guys, you cannot see that. But here I'm adding the fried chicken that I fried earlier to this. I'm going to give it a good mix and just now focus on the sauce. So this is soy sauce already in this bowl. I'm just adding oyster sauce, and I decided to experiment and add ketchup to this, and it tastes so good. You guys, you should definitely try out. I'm just going to mix it all up right now, and I saw that it was kind of thick a bit, so I added a little bit of water and stir that up together as well. And after that, I'm just going to add that into the rest of the stir fry and leave it for about 2 minutes, and we're done, guys. And we're done. Once we just put it in, give it a good stir, leave it for about 2-3 minutes, and we're done. For the full list of ingredients and measurement, because some of you asked me in my last video, please check the description box. You can proceed to add more water or soy sauce if you want more sauce to be in your stir fry. Look at that, you guys. This was so tasty and yummy. And you can have this stir fry with some pasta or even potatoes. I hope you guys try this recipe and that you really like it. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. And thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my videos. Bye.